Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install software update or firmware update. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Search settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Set about. Under about, here we can see version. Right now I am using Android TV OS version 10. I am going to update this. Select system update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. It shows new update available. Version of this new update is Android TV OS version 12.1.1. Size of the update is 762 MB. On right side you can see one download button. Select that button. That way we can download and install this update in this device. If you are not able to see this update in your TV, that means company is not yet released this update for your TV model, hence you have to wait. You have to keep checking this. Once this is available, then you would be able to download and install this update on your TV. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.